Software Spring. Presents. How to use NPER to calculate number of months to make specific money from investment in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the NPER function to calculate the number of months required to make specific money from investment. Let's get started with an intro to NPER. NPER stands for number of periods. NPER can return the number of periods for your investment to grow to the desired level. Or, NPER can return the number of periods for loan repayment. Here is the syntax of the NPER function formula. Let's look at an example. Rate is the annual interest rate. Divide the interest rate by 12 to get the monthly interest rate. Payment amount is the constant periodic payments. Present value is the initial deposit. Future value is optional and is the expected amount from investment. End or beginning can have a value of 0 for payments made at the end of each period, or can have a value of 1 for payments made at the beginning of each period. Moving forward, here's an objective of using the NPER function to calculate number of months for monthly investments of Rs 300 and an initial deposit of Rs 3,000 to grow to Rs 15,000 at 3% interest rate. Use NPER, for example, to calculate number of months to save money to build an emergency fund if lump sum is not available. Okay, we are ready to type the NPER function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, NPE, and select NPER. For rate, click this cell, type the / type 12 to get the monthly interest rate. Type comma. For payment amount, click this cell, and type comma. For present value, click this cell, and type comma. Key point. Payment amount and present value should be entered as negative values, because they are cash outflows. For future value, click this cell, and type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press enter. There you go. NPER function has returned the number of months you have to make payments to reach your financial goal. Now, if you do not have an initial deposit, type 0 and press enter. Alright, this is the number of months to invest. Quick review. NPER function can return, for example, the number of months to reach financial goal. The NPER function formula is. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.